And the market is ending today, is trading up 0.17%. We have gainers Sunu Assurance, Dangote Sugar, MC Nichols, Geregu Power, and Nascan. Losers, we have Sovereign, we have Academy Press, Charms, we have Stanbic NGX Group. My colleague Effiong Gekop is already seated. Effiong Gekop, the market is reacting positively. And even the figures we saw immediately after, that was even at the time Ashwadu Tinubu was in the lead, it showed that there was some positive tracks coming in even from the bond space.
The market is in a fairly stable position, I can say, except yesterday when it was down 0.53%. Today, since mid-trade, we've seen it turned into positive transition. 0.17% is a reasonable performance, but I believe that both the markets and its operators are really watching, so many things, both in the political space, the larger economy, and they will be reacting, and they will see the interplay of all of them as we move forward. Don't forget, the stock market is always very sensitive to information and to development. And now, where is the information coming from? It's largely from the political pots. And so the market, just like an individual, stays glued to the political circles and begin to take whatever comes on and begin to analyze. That's how we will see the markets, respond positively, rising, and companies, moving forward, or they stay stable and then be depressed. I think that there is a bit of caution also in many of the sectors, just as individuals, because you have to, be reading the newspapers, listening to the radio, watching the television. We are very sensitive as it is now.
I think we have Mr. Mohammed there, Jami Mohammed. Let's also get his views around this. Mr. Mohammed, if you can hear me, how are you today? Trading is ending positive. Mr. Jami Mohammed is equities trader at APT's Securities and Funds Limited. Take it away. What is your take to the reaction of the market since we've wrapped up the first batch of this election? That's the Presidential and National Assembly. We still have one more to go.
Thank you very much. It's a pleasure to be here with you on the program. You have read out those figures in the market. And what you have not said is just about the number of deals that we have in the market and also the value traded. We have about 205 million units of shares traded, and what about 3.263 billion naira was traded today. The activity in the market is normal, is what we normally have in the trading day. Though people have been ascribing this rally that we have to the just concluded election and the announcement of Ashwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu as the presidential candidate, as president-elect of Nigeria. So I want to say that this is not connected with what has happened so far in the political territory and the political terrain, sorry. And I think I've told you earlier that our market, our investors have already, they are proactive enough, and they have already taken the effect of political situation into consideration. And our prices in the market has already been factored in with that particular constraint. So market is moving on a normal and what is expected to do. Don't mind you, we are in any season as we speak today. As we speak today, we have release of Dangote Sugar, and because of the release of Dangote Sugar, the result is very superb, and you can see Dangote Sugar gain almost 10% today because of the fact that they released this earnings of about 4.50 naira on a shares trading less than 20 naira. So this what I've been saying all this while. We are in any season, and we have seen the way the market has traded, and the seasons will be the one determining what is going to happen in the market. And I told you earlier that the prices of these listed companies are always factored into information, market information, and also fundamental information. Market information are the news around the economy, including political happenings, and also the market fundamentals is what the fundamental information is what the result, the earnings has been. So we're in any season. We should expect the result to keep coming in, as we all know that the result so far that has been declared. Even if you look at what happened in third quarter, you see that these results are very okay. And we think that they are going to replicate that in quarter 4 and the audited financial report. So markets should continue in this manner. What we experienced like yesterday that the market lost is just the activities of Airtel that lost, I think, about 6% or so yesterday, and that pushed the market into negative territory because it's an high cap stock, and that's the reason why we had that. And on the contrary, today we saw Airtel also gaining about 0.86%, and that pushed the market to the territory of 0.2%. And ASI, which measure the performance generally in the market, gained 0.2% at the end of the day.
All right, there. Interesting breakdown as usual there from Mr. Jamil Mohammed. Thank you so much for your deep insights into trading pattern today at the exchange.
Thank you. It's a pleasure to be here.
All right, if you're on a parting shot from you with regards
to... What remains for investors now and even the market is liquidity. So I believe that the moment that the banks begin to give out money again and we take it easily and then it flows across our sectors, the liquidity will have to, help the market the more. I don't know how long it will take, for this one to happen. Both individuals, companies, they will do a lot of floating, and then we will see things begin to move in the general direction.
All right, then. All right. Thank you so much, Efionge Kop. And that's a wrap on the market segment of the show. Do enjoy the rest of your day.